You gonna drive your car all by yourself?
Don't call me.
Oh, there goes the ball. Oh, vroom vroom. That's your gear shift.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? You gonna go backwards?
You're crazy.
Dad, the ball's inside. If you pull the gear shift, the balls will come out. Beep beep. Vroom vroom vroom.
Maybe we'll just call the police.
Go ahead. Of course, they might wonder why a middle-aged tourist is following young boys down alleys.
That's right. You gonna wave? Say hello.
Anyway, I'm pretty sure you don't like the cops any more than I do.
Good point.
I think Grandpa has a point. He's almost too big for this thing already. Eh. You gonna go for a ride? You gonna go for a ride? Say hi. Let's go for a ride. Let's go. Rum, 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 rum. Lift up your feet. He's using his feet to stop me from pushing him. Oh, you gonna go backwards? Gonna go backwards? See, what I was trying to film, because he went from about where that pink ball is all the way there, all on his own. But of course, now that I have the camera, he doesn't want to go anywhere. No, Mom, don't film me. Oh, there it goes. Kind of going backwards. There it goes! Yay! Every bloody toy we bought him this year has balls. I got frickin' bouncy balls all over my bloody living room. Jeez. Where you going, Logan? Oh, there's the last one. Bye-bye. Oh, it rolled under the couch. Oh, no, it didn't. It's right there. So, hi, Daddy. We're disturbing Daddy. He wants to play a video game. We're being too loud. Your mother is going to be watching this, you know.
Hi, Mom.
Logan, don't ever grow up and be like Daddy.
Fat. Don't be fat like Daddy.
Shut up. What are you doing, Logan?
Whatever I want.
That's right. I'm on my
like
car. Daddy and I both got cars for Christmas this year.
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
I got to drive Daddy's car today.
Yes, I did. I got to sit in the front seat. Okay, we'll stop filming so Daddy can go back to playing his game.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah, shut up. You're playing with your Christmas gift, and I'm playing with my Christmas gift.
Yeah.
And so is Logan. You don't have any more balls left. I love the engine sounds it makes when he plays with the gear shift. Beep beep. You hit the beep button. You hit the horn. Oh. He's so cute. You can turn that one off. There you go. That's fine.
That's what's bugging me.
Oh, was it? Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I thought it was the noise we were making.
Well, you know that too.
Shut up. Oh, Logan. You be careful. Oh, and there we go.